Hi, good evening, dear judges. I'm here to introduce you about my invention. This invention is called QMDJ, Apps for Strategic Date Selection and Activation. So our group is comprised of several candidates. I'm Dr. Wilson Yang, David Yong, Aiden Ng is part of our team. So this development of these apps or software is primarily used for a type of calculation where it is called Qmdj. So this apps is made for strategic date selection and activation. It is supposed to be a form of apps that would simplify our work, like for date selection and others. So it's more like in application. Chimantunja has been around for the last several thousand of years, and based on the historical data, we found that it's one of the three major esoteric art, along with Tai Yi Sen Su and Liu Yao. So it is deeply rooted in ancient Chinese philosophy, particularly the I Ching, the Book of Changes. Its origin are mythologically traced back to the Yellow Emperor, making a system with thousand years of history and evolution. So Chimintuncha used to be a very complex system of cosmology, divination, and strategic planning that incorporates the principle of yin and yang, the five element, the eight trigram, and the 24 solar system. So it represents a sophisticated attempt by ancient Chinese scholar to map and understand the flow of the universe, its influence on human event. So strategically, the application is used for military in the past, particularly in ancient legend associated with famous strategies like Zhuge Liang during the Three Kingdom, the period where they would use these for battle. So they would select a date, a time, and also a direction to attack. But in modern day, we now use these for selection of well activation days, for selling property activation days, for winning litigation, passing exam activation, and peach blossom activation. So the apps itself, right, has very complex data where we take into consideration daily the date, the time, which change every 2 hours. So eventually, the entire year, the apps are now being summarized into different activations. So with the click of a button, between seconds, we would then generate the chart, and then we can decipher from the chart itself which is the most auspicious direction as well. So I'll show you the apps in a moment.